In this video, we listed the 5 best baby chairs that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. BabyBjörn Bouncer. The BabyBjörn Bouncer Balance Soft is an ergonomic baby bouncer designed to provide optimal head and back support for infants, making it suitable for newborns and toddlers weighing between 8 pounds, 3.5 kilograms, and 29 pounds, 13 kilograms, approximately up to age 2. Available in a stylish black and dark gray color, this bouncer features a natural rocking motion that not only entertains but also aids in the developmental growth of babies. It includes 3 adjustable height positions and a transport mode for convenience. The fabric seat is removable and machine washable, ensuring easy maintenance. Additionally, it meets safety standards including the US ASTM F2167 and the EN 12790:2009, ensuring peace of mind for parents. Number 2. Abiie Beyond Junior High Chair. The Abiie High Chair in natural wood with a blue cushion offers a versatile and hygienic seating solution for children, easily transforming to various height positions for use as a baby high chair, toddler high chair, or traditional dining chair within 20 seconds, without the need for tools. Constructed from high-quality wood, the chair undergoes advanced heat sterilization at 248 degrees Fahrenheit 120 degrees Celsius to ensure a clean environment for your child. It features a dual restraint system that provides adjustable security with both a 5-point and 3-point harness for comfort and safety during mealtimes. Designed for easy maintenance, the chair includes stain-resistant, waterproof cushions and a removable, dishwasher-safe tray cover, allowing for quick cleanup. Additionally, it comes with a 3-year manufacturer's warranty, with options for extended protection plans, making it a reliable choice for growing families. Number 3. Perego High Chair. The Perego Siesta High Chair in Nose Color is a versatile and space-saving solution designed for infants and toddlers, measuring 29.75 inches deep, 23.75 inches wide, and 41.5 inches high, and weighing 24 pounds. Constructed from a blend of 70% polyester and 30% cotton, this imported high chair features 5 reclining seat positions, including a lay-flat option, and a 3-position adjustable footrest, allowing it to function as both a high chair and a recliner. With 9 adjustable height settings, it enables children to dine at the table at various stages of growth. Safety is enhanced by a 5-point harness with a passive restraint bar, and mar-resistant caster wheels make it easy to move around while maintaining security with a locking system. Cleaning is convenient thanks to a double tray design, with the top tray being dishwasher safe, while the durable, eco-friendly leather upholstery offers added protection and ease of maintenance. Its folding capability is compact, making it easy to store when not in use, with dimensions of 11.66 by 33.66 inches when folded. Number 4. Graco Switch High Chair. The Graco Zuber 2-in-1 high chair is designed for versatility and convenience as it easily converts into a booster seat when your child is ready for the next stage. With dimensions of 23.5 inch dx 28.5 wx 43 h and a lightweight design of 17 pounds, it features 3 recline levels to accommodate comfortable feeding positions. The high chair comes with a machine washable seat pad for hassle-free cleaning, while its one-hand removable tray allows for quick access when placing your child in or taking them out. Additionally, built-in storage keeps all parts organized during the transition to booster mode, making it a practical choice for busy parents. Number 5. Fisher-Price Baby Chair. The Fisher-Price frog-themed infant seat is a supportive and fun accessory designed to help babies sit up comfortably. Measuring 4.63 inches in depth, 21 inches in width, and 15.63 inches in height, this plastic seat features a wide and sturdy base that ensures stability for your little one. Weighing 5.44 pounds, the seat is lightweight and portable, folding flat for easy storage or travel. It includes 2 linkable toys to keep babies entertained, while the removable seat pad is machine washable for convenient cleaning, making it a practical choice for parents.